What is your appeal to us? I have a vision, but I only have one pair of hands with which to implement it. I need more pairs of hands to fulfill the goal. I believe that if steps are taken now, it will eventually be possible to make this a more compassionate, peaceful, and happier century than the one that went before. 你对我们的呼吁是什么？我有一个愿景，但我只有一双手来实现它。我需要更多的双手来完成这个目标。我相信，如果现在采取行动，最终有可能使这个世纪比过去的世纪更加富有同情心，更加和平，更加幸福。